Welcome to Woo Netcloud Consulting presentation. Today we are going to review AI Help Desk plugin for WordPress and WooCommerce. It is a superb world-class customer support plugin powered by AI that knows your business. If you look at a glance, the advantages at a glance, we can see the live impact of the response time, ticket deflection, CSAT, and agent workload saved, which is about 30% workload saved. And it is 24 by 7 AI response uh, guaranteed. And then you have WooCommerce, it is WooCommerce trained, can be trained via WooCommerce or by WordPress, and it is GDPR ready. If we scroll down a little further, we can look at the features, and the features are unique. So this plugin can be trained via the WooCommerce default catalog about the products, the inventory, policies, titles, attributes, and everything that you can possibly think about. And it will answer all those questions. It has an inbuilt FAQ builder wherein you can build an FAQ for the plugin training, for the AI training rather, and it will be referred back when someone asks a question to the bot. The automation part is handled by Zapier. You can further link Zapier with other CRMs like HubSpot or Suit CRM, or any matter of fact, any CRM. You can link it with Google Workspace. You can have them emailed uh, whenever you want. You can build a list, and you can do many stuff through Zapier. You can also integrate WhatsApp and Telegram through Zapier. The chat is brandable, 100% brandable. The logo, colors, avatar, and you can also brand it with your own text. And when it comes with a large floating button, or and that is something that we can see here. So this is the chat window that you have, right? So one inbox, web chat, email, and WhatsApp in one timeline, auto tag, and route to the right agent. And analytics and insights, CSAT deflection, AHT escalation, C gaps, and new FAQ opportunities. Now, this plugin has variants and multiple variants. So today we are going to discuss the basic variant. Now, how we go live in three steps. We connect the plugin or install the plugin, connect WooCommerce, and WooCommerce should be previously installed, and import the FAQs and policies. And then we customize the plugin with a brand widget, choose tone, set escalations, and add channels. And then we embed it on our site, which can be done via the dashboard. The pricing of a solo, that is one license, one site, one website, is 9,990. So it is lower than 999, or not even 1,000 rupees per month. Uh, so it is like very very cheap, and you can train up to 1,500 SKUs, and you have analytics like CSAT, deflection, AHT built into the system, and you have full widget branding and email channel plus basic automation, which is Zapier as we discussed. Then we have the three license up to three sites, and there are a lot of you have multi language and tone profiles. Tone profile is also there in the solo profile, solo membership profile, and advanced routing and ticketing is something that you can do from the team, which is the most popular. Then you have five license for five sites and 10 license from 10 sites. These are particularly the scale and business models are primarily for the enterprise level companies. So why teams choose SmartSupport AI? So we call this chat support plugin as SmartSupport AI plugin. So it is a native WooCommerce sync. So catalog trained answers out of the box, omni-channel coverage, web, email, and WhatsApp, like I discussed before. Automation first, Zapier, Sheets, Gmail, and webhooks. Enterprise controls, right? Roles, SSO, audit logs, and redaction. Actionable analytics, CSAT, deflection, and gaps clearly. You can see that, and you can view the reports. Premium widget with live preview. So that is what we also have few questions here, and we can turn the support into a growth lever by having a chat bot which is there 24 by 7 and answering your customers and collecting data. Now we'll quickly go back to the admin dashboard of WordPress and see as to how the dashboard looks like. So if you go to the dashboard, once the plugin is installed, you will get a menu like SmartSupport AI, like this. And then you have submenus like SmartSupport AI and Chat Console. If you click on SmartSupport AI, it will take you to the main dashboard page. So the, the tabs that you see over here is basically the process. So first we brand, and then we select the AI provider, set up the lead filters, train, and set up the FAQs, integrate that with automation if required, and then the general and the widget preview comes in, and the help section comes in. So in the branding page, in the widget title, we have written Appify support. However, you can go ahead and change that, and you can have the widget logo. You can upload that from the computer or from the media library, and the logo will be set in the front end in the chat box. And you can have a welcome message. It can be a custom welcome message, and you can choose your theme color from here. You have to give the hex code here. You can generate the hex code and give the theme color from Google as well, or from the brand colors of your website. And the GPT tone. The GPT tone is not only for GPT, it is also for DeepSeek, which is DeepSeek Chat, which is also integrated. So if you go to tones, there are a few tones that we already have. It's a friendly tone, and then you have a professional tone, then you have a supportive tone, and then you have a sales tone, and then you have a custom tone. In the custom tone, you have you can write a custom system prompt, or you can write a prompt here for the AI to understand as to how to speak with the customer. And you can write very specific prompts, and we can also guide you regarding specific prompts that you can use in order to fully customize and take benefit of this chat application. Now, if you go to the AI provider tab, it has a drop down which says OpenAI GPT 4.0 mini, and then you have DeepSeek chat. So you can choose either DeepSeek chat, or you can select the OpenAI GPT 4.0. Now, once you buy the plugin, you will get all the updates free of cost. So tomorrow, if GPT-4 is no longer in use, you will get the latest version embedded and, and programmed into the system and baked for you and sent to you for you to use it. All right. So when you say when you want to integrate the AI provider, say for example, I want GPT-4. So I will get the API keys for GPT-4 and I will paste it here and save as provider. If I want, you can either go for any one of them, like you can also go for DeepSeek Chat, get the API key and paste it here and save it. Or you can go for both OpenAI GPT 4.0 or DeepSeek Chat, and both will work. But both will work alternatively. It will not work together. Other than that, you also have lead filters. Now you can set lead filters in terms of priority as high. You can set priority as low. So you can set priority as low, and you can save the lead filters, and it will show the lead filters accordingly, the leads accordingly. So if you go to training, you have the index WooCommerce catalog. So you can just go to index once this plugin is installed in your system, which is a WooCommerce site. You can just click on this button, index WooCommerce catalog, and it will automatically fetch data from your catalog and train itself. In addition to that, you can also have FAQ section. Remember, this is a basic model. In the advanced model, this sections have more options. So you can add FAQ over here. You can add a question, and then you can have an answer. If you want to delete it, you can delete it from here. If you want to add, you can add as many as you want, right? And then you can go ahead, once you're done, you can go ahead and save the FAQ. So that is how it works as far as the FAQ is concerned. Now, integrations. This integration is primarily about automation. We shouldn't be calling this integration, but it should be, since we have to integrate Zapier, we are calling this integration. Now, if the integration, Zapier integration is not there, then this will be checked out. And otherwise, you have to check in this and then paste the hook of Zapier here and send a test event. If the send test event is successful, you save the integration and it should be good to go. As far as general, the general decides where the chat plugin is going to show in the front end. So if you want to disable the plugin, you just check that out and save general. And if you want the plugin to show in the front end, then you enable it and you select whether it's going to be on the bottom right or it's going to be on the bottom left, right? So it can be bottom right or it's going to be bottom left, wherever you want it, and you save general, right? And then widget preview. If you want to see how your widget looks like after the branding, you can see the widget preview here, and you can accordingly make changes in the branding as well, right? And the help section is primarily the help section where you have a quick help, and it basically explains what branding does, what AI provider does, what lead filters does, FAQ general, uh, all of that. So this is about the main dashboard, and then we have the chat console. Though the chat console and the widget preview looks the same, but it does not work the same. So whenever someone is chatting here, actual customer rep can write in response answer here, and you send it, and the customer, it will be a real-time chat between the customer and you. Also, you can route this to your WhatsApp and Telegram via the integration that you do with Zapier, right? So this is about the SmartSupport AI plugin. Thank you for your time and have a good night.